Hello everyone, this is Lavinette 19 in the Nerd Tap 19, and we're about to do a video on how to make Filipino lumpias, if I pronounced that correctly. So here's our ingredients. We have the spring roll wrap pastry, we have some white pepper, a chicken bouillon cube, 1 egg to seal the wrap. We got some grated up cabbage and onion mixture. Then we have 2 cloves of garlic minced. We have 1 whole carrot minced, and we also have some about 2 tablespoons, yes, of green onions. Anyway, and we have 1 large chicken breast here that we had minced up, so it's like grounded up. Pretty much. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, so let's get started to this video. Okay, so here's our beat up pan. Yeah, the best pan. It's time to retire it. No, never. We're gonna cook it till it fall apart. Okay. We're gonna add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, canola oil. So what? It's oil. Okay. Then we're gonna swish it around our beautiful pan here. This pan cooks so good, y'all. Careful. Burn me, man. Oh. You crazy? Crazy as ever. Go ahead and add in the mixture. So while our pan is heating up, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and add in our garlic first. It's not even sizzling yet. Yeah, because you said you don't let the pan heat up. That's why I'm moving too fast. Anyways, here it is, a little sizzle. So what we're gonna do is let this cook till it's fragrant, about 30 seconds. It's already fragrant. Smell it too. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and add in our cabbage and onion mixture. Ooh, it smells so good, folks. Already. Yes, there we go. So go ahead and add that in. We're going to saute for about 1 to 2 minutes, just until it's softened. And we'll be right back. Okay, y'all. Now our mixture has been cooking for about 2 minutes and it has become translucent. Oh yeah, and we also, right after we had shut the camera off, we went on ahead and added in the carrots. So everything is nice and softened. So we're going to go ahead and remove it from the pan and then start on the chicken. Be back. Okay, so now what we're going to do is go ahead and add a dash of white pepper. And then we're going to crumble up a bouillon cube, the chicken bouillon cube. Okay, so now folks, we're gonna go ahead and cook our chicken. We're gonna add a little bit more garlic. We want that flavor. Garlic flavors everything, doesn't it? That's right, very much. So we toss that in there, let it become fragrant. Throw in our chicken. Cook this till it's well done. Yes, I like my chicken well done. It's good. Okay, so at this point, our chicken is thoroughly cooked. And we're going to go ahead and add in the rest of our ingredients. And then we're going to start wrapping. Alright. So at this point, our mixture is done. And I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to a bowl and let it sit for about 5 minutes to cool down. Then we'll go ahead and start wrapping them. Okay, y'all, so our filling is ready to go ahead and be filled. So we're gonna go ahead and add it to our wraps. And you wanna put about 1/4 of it to 1/4. The same thing, ain't it? Oh no. Look, I'm tired. We're all tired. We gotta finish what we started. It's like being in the race. don't quit till you reach the finish line. Okay, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and continue with the filling. Gonna wrap this however you want to wrap it. Just watch. Okay, there you go. Not perfect, but
there you have it. Here's another one.
All right.